I don't want to hear no excuses from any of you. All right. This guy's going to jump through the roof. He's also a test. And we got Pam. They call her Blam. She's on fire. She's going to show some modified moves. All right, let's run a play. Oh, yeah.
Good job, Ava. Keep going.
Couldn't do it. People from class could. All right. Now, another important thing, too, to remember. Just like your
Good
mom.
job, Mila. Yeah.
Before you go swimming, same thing here. Don't be eating at least an hour before you fly out. All right? That'd be till you get cranky. Stop. Knees down, heels up.
Oh, look at that move, Ava. Can you do that move?
The idea here is to get your heart rate up, get the lungs working, control the breath. All right? And we're going to get moving and grooving here in a second. Oh, yeah. Eric, you ready to roll? Dominique? Get in there. Get in there. And the Blam? Absolutely. Absolutely.
Go, Mila. Go, Mila. Go.
By the way, we're all wearing heart rate monitors. I highly recommend one. Check the heart rate and stay in the zone. All right. That's the real time.
Good job. Ooh, look at that move.
Back and forth between this and lunges. Getting our bodies used to leaving the ground temporarily. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. These are many versions of what's called Mary Catherine and Tigers. You'll see them coming up.